In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add someone in WhatsApp group without saving their phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then just enter your group. Once you've done that, tap right here at the very top at group's name to go to group info. Then just scroll down until you find the add participants feature. Right here you can tap at add participants, and then you will be able to add your contacts in that group, just like that. However, if you don't want to save someone's phone number to your contacts, you can tap at invite to group via link, just like that. That's where we can copy our link to the clipboard, and then we can share it on any social media platform. Let's say I want to invite someone on Telegram, so I can just open up some conversation and then just paste WhatsApp group invitation link here. Also from there we can send link via WhatsApp. We can tap right there and then choose our contact, but we want to invite users who are not in our contacts book, so we can tap add share link, and then we can share it using any of social media platforms. And also we can create or generate QR code. We can save it, save image, that will save that QR code to our camera roll, and then we can let someone just to scan it, and that QR code leads anyone who scan it to your group. That's how you can easily add someone in WhatsApp group without saving their contact.